Did you know that some of the biggest faceless YouTube channels are making thousands of dollars every single month just by uploading cartoon animation for kids? And the best part, they don't even animate these videos themselves. If you've ever thought about starting a YouTube channel but feel held back by a lack of skills, a tight budget for pricey software, or not enough time to learn animation, then this video is exactly what you need. Because today, I'm going to show you how you create a quality, trending cartoon animation videos using only free AI tools and in just simple steps. No need for complicated softwares, no need for advanced skills. AI will do everything for you. And the best part is that kids watch these videos over and over again, and the YouTube algorithm keep pushing them to millions of views, making it one of the best way to monetize faceless YouTube channel this year. So if you want to create videos like this, get monetized and earn thousands of dollars every month, then stay with me till the end of this video. Because by the time you finish watching, you'll be able to create and upload your own cartoon animations today. Can you believe I created this entire 3D animated kids story using just one AI application? That's right, only one. And the best part? I did it all with a single prompt. After some research, I discovered an incredible way to make 3D animated kids videos without the hassle of generating images or animating scenes one by one. Everything in one place, that's right, just one app. Normally, we generate images using text prompts in one tool, then animate them in another, and finally edit them in yet another app. But not anymore. This tool does it all, from generating visuals to animating scenes and even editing the video. The best part? It only takes a few clicks, and we're talking about creating 3D animations with consistent characters throughout. Pretty amazing, right? So let's dive in. The tool I'm talking about is called Magic Light, and trust me, it's going to save you a ton of time and effort. It's seriously easy to use, and creating animated videos is a piece of cake with this. Let me start by giving you a brief overview of Magic Light. Magic Light is an all-in-one AI-powered tool that lets users create stunning 3D animated videos with consistent characters. No coding or multiple apps required. From generating visuals to animating scenes and editing the final video, Magic Light streamlines the entire creative process in just a few clicks. So, as you can see, Magic Light features a clean, user-friendly interface that's easy to navigate with no unnecessary clutter. Before we dive in, if you're new here, consider subscribing to the channel so you won't miss any of my upcoming videos on animation making. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and feel free to share it with your friends. To get started, click on Create Video, then choose your preferred aspect ratio. I'm going with the landscape option, 16:9 for this example. Next, select your language. I'll choose English for now. After that, pick a video style. Magic Light offers a wide variety of styles to choose from, including 3D cartoon, Disney, epic, realistic, kids story, Ghibli, and many more. For this story, I think the 3D cartoon style fits perfectly. Now let's focus on the prompts section. You can either paste your script if you already have one, or type in a prompt so Magic Light will generate a script for you. I just pasted the story idea I had in mind and described what I wanted to create. So what I input here is, after building their own flying machine, adventurous Amber and Oliver crashes into the floating sky city and helps a young dragon find his stolen fire crystal. After that, I'll choose the video duration and click Next to continue. Then, Magic Light will do its magic and generate the full story script for me. Once it's finished, the script is automatically broken down into multiple scenes, making it easy to follow and bring to life as a video. When you're satisfied with your scenes, simply click Next to go to the cast page. In the cast page, you can just click Auto Cast, and Magic Light will automatically assign characters to your story. If you're not happy with the characters assigned by Magic Light, simply click on a character to replace it. You can choose a different one from the character section to better match your story. Then type the name, gender, and age of your character. Then you can set voice of your character.
Life was like a box of chocolates. You never know what you're gonna get. Life was like a box of chocolates. You never know what you're gonna get.
Life was like a box of chocolates. You never know what you're gonna get.
Life was like a box of chocolates. You never know what you're gonna get.
After that, click Confirm. Pretty cool, right? There, you can either select existing characters or create new ones for your video. This is one of Magic Light's standout features. It ensures character consistency throughout the entire video, which is a big deal if you want your story to look polished and professional. I'm not happy with these characters because they don't quite fit the story. So, I'm going to replace them with new ones. We'll create 2 new characters to better match the narrative. Let me walk you through how to create a brand new character for your story. Next, I will show you how to create your own character in Magic Light. Select the character you want to replace, then click Create. Enter the character's name, gender, category, and age. In the character prompt section, describe the character's physical appearance in detail. Be specific about features such as hair color, skin tone, body type, and any accessories. What I input here is a 3D Pixar-style animated character of a 10-year-old boy. He has short brown tousled hair and big expressive eyes. He is wearing a modern outfit, a sage green hoodie, faded blue jeans, and dark gray sneakers. He carries a navy blue backpack slung over one shoulder. Once you're done, click Generate Image. Wait for your character to be created. After a few seconds, the Magic Light created your character, shaped exactly as you described. Then click Apply. Next, click on the character again to return to the character details and set their voice.
Life was like a box of chocolates. You never know what you're gonna get.
Life was like a box of chocolate.
Life was like a box of chocolates. You never know what you're gonna get.
Once you're done, click Confirm. Next, let's create another character. Just repeat the same steps as before. Enter the name, select the gender, category, and age. Then provide a detailed physical description. What I input here is a 3D animated character of an older male villain in a futuristic setting. He is slim and slightly muscular, with sharp facial features and white swept-back hair. He wears a sleek, form-fitting black armored suit with dark red accents and textile detailing. His expression is stern and menacing, with a confident stance. Once you're done, click Generate. Wait for your character to be created. After a few seconds, the Magic Light created your character, shaped exactly as you described. Then click Apply. Once satisfied with the character design, incorporate them into your video scenes. This ensures consistency by using the same character design throughout the project. Click Next to continue. Wait until the storyboard is prepared. We're now in the storyboard section. Here I set the voiceover speed to 1.0x, but you can adjust it to your preference. Next, choose a voice for your narrator.
Life was like a box of chocolates. You never know what you're gonna get.
Life was like a box of chocolates. You never know what you're gonna get.
Life was like a box of chocolates. You never know what you're gonna get.
Life was like a box of chocolates. You never know what you're gonna get.
As you scroll down, you'll see the images that were generated for the story. If you click on a specific scene, you'll be able to view the narration text for that scene, along with the image prompt used to create it. You can preview the voiceover for that particular scene as well.
Amber and Oliver stand proudly next to their homemade flying machine, a testament to their ingenuity and dreams.
Verify your storyboard to see if everything appears as intended. If a specific image doesn't match your story, for example, in my case, the character Amber is shown wearing different earrings throughout the video. Her hairstyle also changes. It's long in some scenes and short in others. At one point, her ears even appear as elf ears. I want to fix these. To do that, simply go to the prompts section and edit the prompt to clearly describe how you want the character to look. This helps maintain consistent character appearance throughout the entire video. Just edit the prompt and click Regenerate. Wait for the new image to generate, and once it's ready, you can choose the version that best fits your storyboard. Now it's time to animate. Start by clicking Next, then select Animate All. After that, hit Next and choose the video generation model you'd like to use. You can choose from options like Runway ML, Halo AI, or Animate Pro. Let's go to Runway, then Confirm. Now sit back for a moment while the AI transforms your images into a video. It won't take long. Once it's done, go to Cover Settings and choose the images you want to use as your video cover. When you're satisfied, move on to Subtitles and select the style that fits your story. Next, head to Background Music. Listen to the different tracks and pick the one that best complements your video. When you're ready, click Generate and select the appropriate aspect ratio. For YouTube, choose 16:9, then click OK. After a few minutes, your video will be ready. Preview it, and if everything looks good, go ahead and download it.
Amber and Oliver stand proudly next to their homemade flying machine, a testament to their ingenuity and dreams. With a shared glance of nervous excitement, they climb aboard, ready to defy gravity. The machine roars to life, shaking and sputtering, as it defies the Earth's pull, wobbling precariously towards the sky. Amber and Oliver's flying machine spirals out of control, plummeting towards the breathtaking Sky City. The machine crashes into a vibrant marketplace, sending vendors and citizens scattering in terror. Amidst the chaos, the Sky City reveals its splendor, islands linked by bridges, a testament to fantastical architecture. In the dimly lit dragon's hideout, Amber and Oliver face Zephyr, his scales shimmering faintly. Zephyr reveals his desperate plight. It's gone, the fire crystal. Without it, Amber, her face resolute, assures him, "We'll help you get it back." Oliver adds his vow to Amber's. "We promise we'll find whoever took it." In the thief's lair, Amber, Oliver, and Zephyr move like shadows through a maze of pilfered relics. Mechanical guardians with gleaming eyes relentlessly patrol the shadows, their metallic presence heightening the tension. Amber and Oliver test their ingenuity, evading their deadly web of laser grids and pressure plates. Zephyr's courage is tested as he confronts and neutralizes a patrolling automaton. Against the backdrop of Sky City, Amber, Oliver, and Zephyr stand, united, ready to confront the encroaching darkness of Nightshade. Nightshade raises the fire crystal, its sinister light casting long shadows across the Sky City. As Amber and Oliver engage in aerial combat, Zephyr roars with untamed fury. Unleashing his dragon abilities, together, they strike as one fire, flight, and fearless hearts, shattering the crystal and banishing Nightshade into the void. As dawn breaks over Sky City, cheers echo through the floating islands. For Amber, Oliver, and Zephyr have not only saved a world, they've become its legend.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. Check out our other videos too.